Welcome everyone to the channel Competitivepedia. So today we are going to discuss important current affairs. So let's begin the session. First question, who became the brand ambassador of Goovy? So the correct answer is option B, Smriti Mandhana. So Smriti Mandhana is Indian woman cricketer. And what is Goovy? Indian Institute of Technology Madras incubated startup Goovy is India's first vernacular education tech startup, and its basic aim is to impart technical and programming skills to individuals in their preferred native languages. And the full form of Goovy is grab your vernacular imprint. Okay. Second question, World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on. So the correct answer is option C, 2nd December. So 2nd December, the day was first observed in the year 2001, and the day is celebrated to create awareness and drive digital literacy in underserved communities worldwide. In the underserved communities, its basic aim is to drive digital literacy and also to create awareness. Clear? Now, who has won 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award for 1719? So the correct answer is option A, V. Praveen Rao. Clear? So here it is, V. Praveen Rao. So V. Praveen Rao is Vice Chancellor of Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University. He has been awarded for his contribution in the fields of agricultural research, teaching, extension and agriculture. Now this prestigious award was instituted in 2004, remember it, 2004, in memory of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who was the main architect of India's Green Revolution. It is very important, keep it in mind. The next question is, Nagaland celebrates its statehood day on. So the correct answer of this question is option A, 1st December. Clear? So here it is, 1st December. So Nagaland is celebrating its 59th statehood day. 59th statehood day on 1st December 2021. Nagaland got statehood on 1st December 1963. Keep it in mind, it's very important. Okay, on 1st December 1963, Nagaland got statehood. The CM of Nagaland is Neufeu Ryu and the governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Now, who is the author of the book Naroji, Pioneer of Indian Nationalism? The answer is option C, Dinyar Patel. So, the biography is selected as the winner of the 4th Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay New India Foundation Book Prize 2021. It is very important. So, this biography, which is Naroji, the Pioneer of Indian Nationalism, is selected as the winner of 4th Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay New India Foundation Book Prize 2021. And the award was instituted by New India Foundation in the year 2018. Now the book marked the life events and legacy of Dadabhai Naoroji. Clear? Now, International Day for Abolition of Slavery is observed on. So the International Day for Abolition of Slavery is observed on your 2nd of December is the correct answer. So here it is, 2nd of December. So International Day for the Abolition of Slavery is observed on 2nd of December and since 1986. 1986 से ये डे मनाया जा रहा है. The basic goal of this event is to eradicate contemporary forms of slavery like trafficking in persons, number 1, sexual exploitation, number 2, and forced marriage, etc., number 3. These forms of contemporary slavery, its basic goal to eradicate these sort of slaveries. Okay. Next, Call Your Cop mobile app launched by. It has been launched by Nagaland Police. Correct answer is option C, Nagaland Police. And the app will enable to all citizens of the state, especially those in distress, to get in touch directly with the police in just one click. So CM of Nagaland, Neiphiu Rio, and Governor of Nagaland is Jagdish Mukhi. National Pollution Control Day 2021 is observed on. So it is observed on 2nd of December. Clear? National Pollution Control Day. So 2nd December, and the day is observed as National Pollution Control Day to commemorate the lives of the people who died in the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1982. When what happened in this? In this, the methyl isocyanate was leaked on the night of December 2-3, due to which thousands of people have lost their lives. It is called Bhopal gas tragedy 1984, and in order to commemorate the lives of the people who died in this tragedy, the National Pollution Control Day has been observed. As per Economist Intelligence Unit's Worldwide Cost of Living Index 2021, which city ranked as the world's cheapest city? So the correct answer of this question is option A, Damascus. Syria's Damascus is ranked as the world's cheapest city. Okay. Now, according to the index, Tel Aviv of Israel has become the most expensive city in the world in 2021. According to this index, Israel's Tel Aviv has become the most expensive city. On the second spot is France, Paris and Singapore. On the fourth spot is Zurich, and on the fifth spot is Hong Kong. Please keep it in mind. And this index examines the cost of living in 173 cities. Now, the Economist Intelligence Unit headquarters is in London, United Kingdom. And one more question, when was Economist Intelligence Unit founded? So it was founded in 1946. Clear? Next question is, who has been appointed as UNESCO Goodwill Ambassador for Cultural and Creative Industries? Correct answer is option D, Naomi Kawase. Okay. So, Naomi Kawase is a Japanese film director. She has won Grand Prix at the Cannes Film Festival in 2007 for her film The Mourning Forest. Now, UNESCO was founded on 16th of November 1945. The headquarters of UNESCO is in Paris, France. The Director General of UNESCO is Audrey Azoulay. And what is the full form of UNESCO? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is important, please keep it in mind. So this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Do subscribe our channel Competitivepedia, share with your friends group and other persons. So happy learning and keep growing day by day. May God bless you all. Thank you.